So previously we talked about how to submit this kind of information and why, what kind of form, what kind of tax information that we need to provide and why we need to provide it. And once you confirm your foreign tax status, which means that you are not US person, you got something more interesting going on, and that is the withholding rate. And once you submit all this tax information, and they will automatically calculate the withholding rate for you. Okay, the highest withholding rate is 30%, and depending on where that the specific status of your tax form, you might like the best case scenario is like 0% withholding rate. For example, let me write it down for you. Okay, so for example, you are like 0% from UK. Okay, or if you're Canada, or Germany, or France, Australia, and Japan. Okay, that's typical countries that will get 0% withholding rate. And you may think, well, what about, I'm from a specific country. I don't know what kind of withholding rate, or they calculate the kind of withholding rate. I don't know whether it's true or not. Let me just give you the link so you can check. So basically, you can go to the IRS official website. This is like the only source of truth here. And you can check the United States income tax treaties A to Z, and you can go to all these countries' treaty. So, for example, China, you can just look at the China's treaty, okay? And you have to be extremely aware of, say, for example, caution, Hungary, right? Hungary tax treaty document, and sometimes the treaty expire, and you have to look at the latest information, what's going to be done. Most of the time, for example, Russia, partially suspended, so you have to really worry about that as well, right? So once you check that, you double check that, as long as the reduction is no problem, you can continue.